A little bit about one of my most favorite fragrance products that you could purchase for household. They are Glade plugins. You've probably seen the commercials if you haven't already purchased them or tried them out. They used to have the commercial. I'm not going to sing for you because I don't have a good singing voice, but it went like plug it in, something like that. So you probably know about it. Glade is a really great brand. They have scented candles and they have all types of other disinfectants and stuff for the house. So I absolutely love Glade. Cashmere woods I picked up today. Basically what these are, they're wall plugins, and I have 3 of them in my house. So one I have in the kitchen kind of by the bathroom. One I have in the kitchen kind of by the garbage. The other I keep plugged in by my cat's litter box. And then the third one I keep downstairs in the laundry room plugged in. So what I really like about these is you can kind of like program, and I'll show you in a little bit, you can program like what fragrance level you want it on. And then before you purchase, they always have these stickers where you can scratch and snip. So I stopped at the store tonight, and it's not that I don't like the cashmere wood scent. It's just, it's very like clean and it's kind of light, and I prefer the ones that are like tropical breeze and the ones that have more of a sweety smell to them. But this was the only one that was available in the store tonight, so that's fine. It comes with 4 refills. I actually just thought it came with 3, so that's good. So we get an extra one. These are 2.68 ounces and refills for value pack. Johnson, I guess, owns Glade, family company. Everyone knows Johnson & Johnson, family company since 1886. Really simple installation, rotates heat, warmers, electrical plugs if needed. Unscrew cap from fragrance bottle and insert into warmer. Insert warmer upright into outlet. Keep fragrance bottle upright at all times. Operation. Read safety and use instructions included with warmer. Adjust warmer intensity to desired setting. Wash hands after handling. Use only Glade Plugins Scented Oil refills and Glade Plugins Scented Oil air fresheners. This is probably the only one that it'll actually fit in. It has to be Glade. Caution, eye irritant. Contains fragrance oils. Avoid contact with eyes. First aid. Immediately rinse eyes with plenty of water for at least 15 minutes. If irritation persists, get medical attention. If swallowed, do not induce vomiting. Call a physician or poison control center immediately. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Do not use in small confined pet areas without adequate ventilation. Ingredients: fragrance oil, SCJ product formula, 35 star 14032. I guess that's the product number. If you have questions or comments, you could call or write. And distributor Johnson & Johnson, and oh my gosh, why do I not know what WI stands for? I'm having like a moment right now. I want to say it's Wisconsin. All rights reserved. Fragrances they're recyclable because they're plastic. So I'm just going to open up the package and show you guys what they look like. This was really easy to open. I just ripped the film off. And then it has the plastic cap on top. You can see they're not all the way filled, but they're like sort of filled. And I'm gonna unscrew this and show you guys the top. So this is like the felt top where the fragrance oil is distributed through here. It smells really nice, actually. It smells nicer than the sticker. So that's kind of a pleasant surprise. And I want to say like these last like a month each. I usually put them on like the medium fragrance level. It's because I want my house to smell good, especially with having pets and like the humidity and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this out of the wall. So I just want to show you guys real quick. It's plugged in here. All right, so this was empty, as you guys could see. It just empties over time on its own. I put this in right before I went away, so I want to say like September 15th I probably put this in, and it's completely empty, and it's October 10th today. So this is what it looks like when it's used. It gets like orange and yellowy looking. Now this sometimes needs to be cleaned with like a wet like little paper towel or something, because it gets like some kind of buildup on there. So just to show you guys, to clean it. And then you just take this and you pop it in. Good to go. And then here we could adjust the setting of how scented you want it. There's how many dials on here? 4 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I kind of just leave it like there, like on medium, and that'll be good. And then I'll just pop it back in the wall. And they have all types of like scents and stuff like that for you guys to try. They all smell really good so far. I haven't like tried any that I didn't care for. This was good. So this is Glade Cashmere Woods plugins. Try them in your home. You'll be really happy with them. Thanks for watching.